wasted.
Yes everybody, what is happening you lovely lot? Today could be a good video. This could like make quite a bit of difference to the car. Personally, from looking at it and actually how the car drives. So what I'm going to do is show you what we've actually got. So I'm not going to tell you, I'm going to see if you can work out what it is. So we've got this little beauty here, this one, then this little box here. We have got some sort of SEM system, and then the big daddy. Some of you might be able to guess that already, like that. You ready? You ready everybody? The Astra is getting a new wheel. Look at that. Let's try and get that out of focus. Oh my god, it feels and looks unreal. Like compared to this normal steering wheel, it's quite, the normal steering wheel was bulky. I don't know, I just don't think it looks very nice. The only thing that's worrying me about this, obviously because I'm going to have the boss and the stem and all that, it's going to push the steering wheel out quite a bit. So I'm just hoping that I'm not going to have to go like that to press the indicators. So we'll see how that goes. I'm just hoping to God this is the right one. Everything else looks like it could fit. I'm just hoping that will sit on the actual steering column of the Astra. So fingers crossed everybody. So what we'll do, get to the car. Mate, first things first, I saw this on Lee Lockwood's video. I don't think he straightened his wheels when he took his steering wheel off, so that when he put his steering wheel on straight, his wheels will turn. So firstly, we're going to make sure the steering wheels is straight. And then we're going to open the bonnet, take the battery off, but we'll get to that now, so let's do it. Peace! So what you're going to want to do first really is just make sure you're steering straight. So I'm just going to check on the steering wheel, check on the wheels that they're straight, and then we'll open the bonnet and take the battery off. So in the car, yeah, that should be alright. Look, there we go, happy days, nice and straight. Now I know the car needs a clean. Please don't dislike in the comments down below. There we go, and the battery is there. So let's take the, I believe it's the minus, we take the minus one off first. Comment down below. I always got confused on which one to take off. If you could let me know, that'd be massively appreciated. I think I'm going to go for the minus one, to be honest. I might research that just to check, but I'm going to go for that. If I do take that one off first, it's because I've researched, so let's do it. So there we go, people, 10mm. I did actually research it, by the way. So take that off. Put that down there. I might get a cloth and just cover that so it doesn't like make a circuit or anything. I'm not 100% sure on like electrics and that, so obviously if any of you think I'm stupid, it's just because I haven't learnt it. Oh my god, how loud is that van? It sounds like it's about to blow up. Right, so battery's off. let's work out how to take the steering wheel off. Let's do it. Right then, so after doing some research, there is 2 little holes at the back of the steering wheel. Well, 2 little holes at the back of the steering wheel. And what you do is the holes like that, you put the screwdriver in, and there's a little like spring that will let you take the airbag out. So hopefully I'm gonna take it off, and then I'll try and show you the mechanism from actually like doing it, but I'll just show you where the holes are. So the back of the steering wheel, you can see that one there, and there is one exactly there as well. Hopefully you can see that just there. So what we're gonna do is put that in there. Hopefully this bloody moves out of the way, and we get that in. So I'll take that off, and then I'll show you how I get on with that. So let's do it. So after checking, I just did a quick look on the internet on how to remove the steering wheel, and there's actually bolts there, so don't do what I did and start sticking screwdrivers in, because it won't do nothing. Try and look before you do stuff in the future. So what we do, get a Torx bit, undo them, and then hopefully we can get this screwdriver in there and get it out. So let's do it. Hey, I found the first problem already. I was trying to get at the wrong bits, so it wasn't actually those 2 that I needed to get. It was, if you see here, they were literally down there. They're the ones that I need to get. So they are not the right ones. So do not go at the ones that I just posted in the last section of the clip. It's the ones that are actually like right underneath the steering column. So I was thinking, what the hell's going on? And then when I put 2 and 2 together, them screws are just holding on like through the back, which holds them on. So that is the problem. So what we're going to do, try again, flathead screwdriver in the back of them, and hopefully it pulls off. So we're going to put the screw in, wiggle it, and then pull on the steering wheel, but the battery is definitely going to be off first, so let's go for it. Easy as that. There we go, happy days. We are out. Look at this leg, man. Oh my god, it's like a chip. So we're out, happy days. Batteries disconnected, so obviously this isn't gonna go boom and blow up in my face. So yeah, happy days. So I'm guessing I'll just pull the spring out, pull this clip out here. So look. So obviously this is where we're at. So you got like the airbag resistors and this. If anyone can help me, I'm not too sure if the light's going to come up on the dash. If it does, what do I need to do? That would be an absolute grand help if anyone could help me with that. So what I'm going to do is, I don't fancy messing with them just in case I blow them babies up. So I'm going to pull that one out, and then probably that one as well. Undo that. But first I'm going to make sure the steering wheel's flat, because I don't want to be putting it on where the wheels are all that way. So hopefully pop that out. Right then, so change of plan. I can't actually get these to pull out. I'm putting the screwdriver on the top of that and then pulling that. But what I found is, if I put my finger in there, pull that, and give this a little yank, there we go, steering wheel gone. So we turn the steering wheel around, put it flat. So what we've got here is pretty much steering wheel straight, batteries off. It's a 50-bit TX 50-bit or Torx, like whatever. What is the actual name for this? Is it TX, Torx, whatever? Comment down below, massively appreciated, and then I can get my grammar and all that properly, because obviously I don't know what it's called. But undo that big boy there, then hopefully steering wheel should pop off. So let's get it off. So what I'm going to try and do is not get in the way of the camera here. Happy days, we're coming out, lads. Whee! Happy days. Whee! So just undo that, pops off, and then theoretically, yep, happy days, pops off. So, woo! So from what I'm guessing is this isn't going to go on like this. So I'm guessing I've got to take the housing off here. So 2 Phillips, and then I'm guessing it all just pops off. So Phillips there and there. Let's take it off. So those are out now. There's one underneath as well, so take the one underneath out. Right then people, we got a little update. Basically the one that I've ordered off eBay does not fit. It seems to be catching like right around the edges. I'm not too sure if anyone can see that, but right around the edges it seems to be catching, so it does not fit. And I do not like the way that is just like reeled off like that. To be fair, I think it looks pretty. So hopefully I can take this off and see what's going on here, because I do not like this, the way all that's just unravelled like that. So let's take this off and then see where we're at. Right then guys, so as it goes, I'm actually stuck for the time being. We've got all this chilling here and I don't actually know if it's supposed to be like that, and my boss doesn't actually fit. So this is where I'm going to ask you guys if you can really help me out. This was obviously not the plan, but yes everyone, I know this is like a weird kind of ending to the video because like, I was just in my car, but the battery actually died on the camera. I was basically like just videoing just to say like that's as far as I can go. Based on my knowledge, there isn't actually too much knowledge on about like how to set the steering wheel off and stuff. So like I say, I'm stuck. I'm gonna do some research. I thought I'd post this video so that if you guys are watching that have actually tried to do this, can comment down below and hit me up and let me know what I've actually done wrong. From what I'm guessing, I just tried to watch another video and that bit that it's got all that ribbon on it, I don't think I'm supposed to take that off. I'm hoping that I haven't broke anything and I can actually put it back together. So I do believe that the actual boss that I'm supposed to have slots in between where that thing spins around. So if anyone knows where I can get that boss from, please comment down below or send me a link, because I'd massively appreciate that. This is the joys of owning a car and doing stuff yourself. Don't get me wrong, it is good going to a garage and just like pain, but what joy do you get out of it really? Like, I know it's like kind of frustrating, the fact that I can't actually drive my car at the moment because I've got no steering wheel, but the fact that I can post videos and show you guys actually like how to do stuff or how not to do it, which is in this case, the fact that I just don't see the point of going, oh, I'm a YouTuber, which I'm not, I'm just an ordinary Joe. What's the point? What's the point in going to a garage, there's £50, fit that for me, and then be like, yes guys, I've got a new steering wheel. Right, it's crap. You want to see what's actually going on with the car and you want to see how it's done, and that is hopefully what I'll bring to you guys. So there'll be many more of these files and I hope you lot can help me out. So peace out, on to the next one. Hopefully the next video will be me fixing this problem. So if you know where I can get a boss from, please comment down below. Nice one guys, see you later.